Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing or an opening or something or other. Now this I picked up from my man Slicey Dicey, who had a knife sale, and super interested in this brand Civivi, an affordable EDC knife company. A lot of their knives are, like I said, on the affordable side, and this one really intrigued me. This is the Civivi Pintail. Now, quick specs: we have a 4-inch when the blade is closed. The blade is 3 inches and a total of 7 inches on the nose. So if you are kind of obsessive about exact and round numbers, this is the knife for you. And another thing that's really super interesting is that this steel, now I don't know much about steel, right? But all I know is that this is S35VN steel, and you see this steel on a lot more expensive knives out there. So that is pretty cool. Micarta scales here, a brown micarta scale, thumb stud to open, liner lock to close. Really easy to deploy. And let's see, and you have to encourage it. It's not really drop shut, but maybe in time it will. And I might be in the wrong angle here. Yeah, a little bit. You have to encourage it, but that's fine. I don't want anything totally drop shut too, because that will definitely mess up my hands and fingers. My fingers are in bad shape as it is anyway. But anyway, I figure I'd share this with you guys, this unboxing. Great little knife, great EDC, great ergos on here. Fits great on my wrist. Really, really well done. And these go for like 80, 83 bucks, which is, I think you get a whole lot of knife for 83 bucks. That's just me not firing right. There's nothing wrong with this knife. It's just me not firing correctly on or having a tough time with the angle that I'm in filming here. But anyway, guys, I figure I'd share this with you. Again, this is the Civivi Pintail. Great little knife. Have a good one.